In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to Circle. So, to get started, sign into your Circle account and open the community where you want to place your Calendly booking option. This could be a space for coaching, consultations, onboarding, support calls, or any area where you want members to schedule time with you easily. Once you're inside the correct community, navigate to the specific space, page, or post where you want Calendly to appear. The exact location you choose depends on how visible you want the booking option to be. For example, if this is something members should access often, placing it on a dedicated page can make it easier to find. Before adding anything in Circle, make sure you have your Calendly scheduling link ready. Go to your Calendly account, copy your booking link, and then return to Circle. If you plan to use an embed instead of a standard link, copy the embed code from Calendly instead. The link option is usually the quickest and simplest, while the embed option can create a more integrated experience if Circle supports it in that location. Now in Circle, add a text block or an embed block depending on what the page editor allows. If you're using a text block, paste in your Calendly booking link. This is a good option if you want to keep things simple and direct. If an embed block is available and supported, paste your Calendly embed code there so the scheduler can potentially display right inside the page or post. After that, save or publish your changes. This step is important because until the changes are saved, your members won't be able to access the booking option. Next, open the page or post as a viewer and check that everything works correctly. If you used a link, click it and make sure it opens the correct Calendly scheduling page. If you used an embed, confirm that the scheduler appears properly and is loading as expected. This quick test helps you catch formatting issues before sharing it with your community. Once you've confirmed everything is working, share the updated Circle space, page, or post with your members. That way they can book appointments directly through your Calendly link without needing extra instructions or back and forth messages. That's it. You've successfully added Calendly to Circle, so making it much easier for your community members to schedule time with you in one convenient place.